In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in a project role in Jira. If you're managing a project in Jira and need to streamline collaboration by assigning roles to your team members, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a project manager, assigning roles for the first time, or a team member looking to better understand your project setup, this step-by-step guide will help you accomplish your goals with ease. First, let's navigate to the project you are managing in Jira. Simply log into your Jira account and select the project from your dashboard. Once you're in the project, move your eyes to your project's name in the top panel, and next to it you'll find an icon with three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these three dots will give you additional options that are specific to project management tasks. After you've accessed the More Options menu, look for the option labeled Add People. Selecting this will open up a dialog box where you can specify which users or groups you wish to add to your project. In this dialog box you will find a search field where you can type the name, group or email address of the user or group you'd like to add. This is quick and efficient, especially if you already have your team members' details at hand. For those of you who work in a multi-platform environment, Jira offers seamless integration with popular services like Google, Slack or Microsoft. You can easily add users from these platforms, ensuring that your team's collaboration is uninterrupted and centralized. Once you've selected your user or group, it's time to assign their role within the project. Jira provides a drop-down menu of roles such as administrator, member, or viewer. These roles are crucial as they determine the level of access and permissions each team member will have within the project. Choose wisely based on the responsibilities and access level each team member requires for the project. With all that set up and chosen, the final step is to click the Add button. This action will officially assign your selected user or group to the designated project role, thereby allowing them to engage with the project according to their permissions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added users to your project's roles in Jira. This process not only helps in allocating responsibilities efficiently, but also greatly enhances your project's workflow and productivity. Remember, the right project roles play a significant part in achieving your project goals effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for managing your projects in Jira.